There's a lot of activity. I don't know. I lost count of the objects I've seen. Here is another one. Here too. Feels good to be back. So, see here? No pulsating light, nothing, just a ball of light. Try to explain it. I don't touch the camera, camera's on tripod. Almost close to 120 optical zoom. And I'll zoom out. See if you can. Oh, I can't see it. Or I can see it in this. But hey, my memory's almost full. I have to stop. But there is another one here. Let me show you. I'll turn the camera slowly, 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 slowly. Look there. Now I'm pointing to my city. Just here, above the rooftops. Above the see? It doesn't move anything. Sorry, I have to adjust the tripod, the camera. I'm trying to zoom in maximum. Come on, come on, come on. Thank you. Oh, this one is beautiful. I don't touch the camera. Now it's stationary. Now this is impossible. Stationary, people. Keep it like this for 10 seconds. Wow, this is beautiful. The colors with the naked eye, it seems yellow, gold, goldish. Try to dim his lights. Now let's fly slowly to the right. I'm gonna make a picture so you can see the surroundings. Now dim his light. I'm gonna make a picture. I'll stop right here, then I'll make a picture.